Hello designers and welcome to Dhil UX/UI. Here are have resources. We're going to use 2 component and 1 theme, and one is glass and animated BG components made by Gemini AI. You do Y with AI. Or you will remix link, you can use them. So link I be given in comment section. And you can start now if you're Framer expert. If you're beginner, yes, then it's your free paid tutorial. Let's start from Framer canvas. Select the desktop. Bit zoom into desktop. Right panel in scroll down and select fill and change the color into black. And now make desktop in frame. So change it into stack by clicking on plus icon. Click F on your keyboard and drag it like this and make frame into stack. Same again, create another frame inside frame into stack. And height into viewpoint and width into fill. Rename it as HERO SECTION section. Rename it as main.
Artlist.io.
Select main stack and change the width into fill. Height into fit content. Select desktop stack and
Music licensing reimagined.
change height into fit content. Now all fitted. If you're till here, you should comment any questions you have. I am ordering you only no. Powered by Alone Penguins Depressed. You also depressed by this video? No. Let me know in comment section. Follow me as me. Music booster
Artlist.io.
on. Ed. No voice will given because my voice is depressed by you depressed. Yeah, I am kidding. Kinding. Remain follow music, not me. When your penguins
Music
depressed.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music 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 licensing reimagined.
Hello. Comment need part 2 or not or any vibe coding videos or Figma related video. I will try 100x better than this video on upcoming tutorials. Okay, tell me any improved needed I will do in video.